Welcome to Tooltechnologies-molders. Tooltechnologies-molders is an OEM PD design manufacturer and exporters of specialty plastic injection molded components, rubber molded components tailored to meet requirements of a wide variety of applications such as automotive, electronics, electrical, mechanical engineering, industrial plants, oil and gas industries, aviation, medical, hydraulic and pneumatic application, domestic goods and robotic application, and other various industries as per customer technical specification, drawing and sample. Please contact Tool